The topic for today is cell, right? Cells. Okay. The term cell is derived from the Latin word cellulus, which means the cell. This is a Latin word. Okay. Just like a house is made up of bricks, similarly, living organisms, they are made up of cells. In 1665, this is important, Robert Hooke, he was a person, he observed, what did he observe? The bark of a tree, the cork, under the microscope. And he saw something like honeycomb-like structures. Okay, these were actually the dead cell walls of the plant cell. Okay, from cells, a group of cells collectively known as tissues. Then the tissues are more collectively known as organs. The organs combine to make organ system, and the organ system makes organism. Okay? The cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. The cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. This is the most important point from here. Now another heading or the another topic we come on to is the number, shape, size of cells. Okay, number, shape and size. Organisms that have only one single cell are known as unicellular organisms. Organisms that have multiple cells, okay, they are known as multicellular organisms. Okay, if we look at an elephant, the size of an elephant may be big as compared to a small rat, but the shape of the cell, the size of the cell will remain the same. Okay, so and the function of the cell will also remain the same. Suppose we have a nerve cell of a rat and a nerve cell of an elephant. Both will function in a similar manner. Okay, now we come on to the shape, right? This is a spindle-shaped muscle cell. Then we have the amoeboid cell. This is the pseudopodia, P-S-U-D-O, pseudopodia. Pseudo means false, podia means feet. Okay, this is what amoeba. We have the spherical or the round RBCs. Then we have the WBCs. Okay, we have something branched cells. These are the neurons or the nerve cells. Okay, now the size of the cells will remain the same. The shape will also remain the same. Okay, a single cell they differentiate to form different types of cells, and they function according to their shapes and according to their basic structure. Okay, now when we look at a plant cell, right, it has what? It has cell membrane, it has nucleus, okay, it has cytoplasm, it has a vacuole, it has other organelles, right? Another organelles. It has cell wall. What is it? What does it have? Cell wall, which is absent in animal cell. Okay, the animal cell nucleus is present, cell membrane is there. cytoplasm is there. Here they have chloroplasts. Chloroplasts are the microbodies that have a pigment known as chlorophyll, which is absent in animal cell. Vacuole is present only in plant cell. It is present in animal cell also, but it is very small, right? Vacuole is very small here, and in this it occupies animal cell, plant cell. Okay. Basic thing. It has other organelles like mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, vesicles. Then it has endoplasmic reticulum, right, which connects this to this. Okay, the cell membrane, the basic function of the cell membrane, it helps in the transport of materials from inside and outside of the cell. Nucleus is the main brain of the cell. Okay. Okay. Now there's difference between a prokaryotic cell and a eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. What's the difference? Prokaryotic, pro means primitive. Pro means primitive. Right? And eu means new. Karyotic means nucleus. So the cell in which the nuclear membrane is not there. Okay? Nucleoid is there. This is known as the primitive kind of cell. And the cell in which the nuclear membrane is present. Nucleus is well defined. Nuclear membrane is present is known as the eukaryotic cell. There's one more thing present in the nucleus, that is nucleoid. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks.